ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram with AC and BD as diagonals. With AC and BD as diagonals. Then vector AC minus vector BD is equal to option A 4 times of vector AB, option B 3 times of vector AB, option C 2 times of vector AB, option D vector AB. Write the parallelogram and the diagonals. ABCD is the parallelogram where AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. You want to find out vector AC minus vector BD. Vector AC minus vector BD in a parallelogram. Is it equal to 4 times of vector AB, that is this vector, or 3 times, or 2 times, or it is equal to vector AB itself? You understand the question? What is vector AC minus vector BD? It is the difference in the lengths of the diagonals. Don't be under the impression that in a parallelogram the diagonals are of equal length. It happens only in square. In a parallelogram, only about the diagonal, the principle is that they meet only at the midpoint, nothing else than that. The diagonals are not of equal length. There will be some difference in the length of the diagonal. Now you need to find out whether the difference in the lengths of the diagonals is equal to 4 times the side AB, or 3 times, or 2 times, or it is just equal to AB. By guessing, can you give me some answer? AB. But it is not correct. 4 times AB is too much, so it cannot be. 3 times AB? 2 times AB. Answer is actually 2 times AB, but you should know that, okay? Because this can be asked even for second year PUC. This problem is merely based on law of triangle of addition, that's all. Now, okay, now write vector AC. Vector AC equals vector AB plus vector BC. And similarly write vector BD. Vector BD equals vector BA plus vector AC. These are the lengths of the diagonals. And now you want the difference. So take the difference. Therefore, vector AC minus vector BD equals vector AB plus vector BC minus of vector BA plus vector AD. That is vector AB plus vector BC, open the bracket. So this becomes minus vector BA minus vector AD. Now which two vectors are equal and opposite? Huh? AB and? So what shall I do with that? I can cancel them. BC is equal to AD, no?
Minus BA can be written as plus AB.
So that then I can write that final answer as 2 times AD. You got it? So write that answer.
So what about BC and AD?
What about
BC and AD?
They are parallel equal.
You observe they are equal in magnitudes and opposite in sides, so they get cancelled out. 2 vectors cancel and other 2 vectors get added up. You complete that answer. So this can be written as AB minus BA. This is vector AB minus vector BA. Or this is vector AB plus vector AB. I am changing the sign here. You can see that in the diagram what is happening. Now which are the two vectors that got cancelled out? Vector AB and vector BA remained. BC vector and AD vector got cancelled. Why? You see that BC vector, AD vector. They are opposite in signs but equal in magnitude. So they get cancelled. So you are left with vector AB minus vector BA. Minus of vector BA can be written as plus of vector AB. You change the direction, change the sign also. So this becomes equal to. So option C is the correct answer.